Welcome to Crocus, the enchanting harbinger of spring. In this episode, we'll embark on a journey into the magical world of the crocus flower. Crocus, a marvel of nature with its delicate and vibrant petals, emerges as the first gentle murmur of spring, courageously pushing its way through the blanket of winter's snow to eagerly embrace the caressing warmth of the burgeoning sun. These enchanting flowers can be found in various corners of the world, from Europe to Asia and even North Africa. A symbol of renewal, crocus is a symbol of renewal and rejuvenation, marking the end of winter's chill and the beginning of a new season. Its appearance is a joyful reminder that brighter days are ahead. Diversity and delicacy. Crocus varieties come in a range of colors, including purple, white, yellow, and even striped patterns. Each variety is a testament to the intricate beauty of nature. Harbingers of joy. These petite blooms often form a carpet of color, creating breathtaking displays in gardens, parks, and even wild meadows. Crocus flowers are a true delight for both experienced gardeners and beginners. An early bloomer. Crocus is among the first flowers to bloom in spring, often appearing as early as late winter, depending on the region. Their resilience in the face of lingering cold is a testament to the wonders of nature. A rich history. Crocus has a rich history and cultural significance. It has been used for medicinal purposes and as a source of saffron, one of the world's most prized spices. Moreover, it's steeped in mythology and symbolism. Here are 10 captivating facts about crocus. Crocus is a member of the iris family, Iridaceae. The name crocus is derived from the Greek word crocos, which refers to the saffron-producing species. Saffron, derived from the stigmas of certain crocus species, is one of the most expensive spices by weight in the world. These flowers are known for their cup-shaped blooms that open during the day and close at night or in cloudy weather. In Greek mythology, crocus is associated with the story of the youth Crocus and Smilax, who were transformed into these flowers. Crocus flowers are often seen as a symbol of youthfulness and joy. They are known for their hardiness, often pushing through frozen soil and snow to bloom. The Crocus vernus variety is native to the Alps and is known for its vivid purple and white flowers. Saffron crocus, Crocus sativus, is primarily cultivated for saffron production and is native to Southwest Asia. These flowers are a favorite among pollinators, attracting bees in search of nectar. A symphony of spring. Crocus flowers, with their delicate charm and vibrant colors, are the perfect heralds of spring's arrival. Their early bloom and resilience make them a cherished addition to gardens and natural landscapes. As we conclude our journey through crocus, the enchanting harbinger of spring, may you be inspired by the beauty and symbolism of these captivating flowers. YouTube search tags: crocus, spring flowers, saffron, garden delights, early bloomers, flower symbolism. Video description: join us in exploring crocus, the enchanting harbinger of spring. Discover the early bloomers that bring a burst of color to gardens and meadows after the long winter. Find inspiration for your spring garden as we delve into the world of crocus.